Everyone, and welcome to another episode of the High Level Release Radar, where we sit down with the product team from High Level to talk about recent releases. Today, I'm excited to be joined once again by Prakhar Agrawal. Prakhar, you were just on the show. You're back on the show because your team is releasing like crazy.
Yeah, yeah. It's been exciting. We have a lot of releases and a lot of big releases. And mostly those are from Ideas Board. So yeah, like huge, highly voted, like more than 200 votes. All of these items have had more than 200 votes. So yeah, excited to
Which is
release all.
how we know they're going to be crowd pleasers. So let's go down the list. First up, survey footers. So finally, we got rid of that ugly footer that was at the bottom of the screen. And now you can have a beautiful one at the bottom of the screen, or you can anchor the survey footer to the bottom of your survey. These look really nice. I think we're going to get a really great reaction from these, or we are already, aren't we?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Amazing. So earlier, right, if you see that it's not at all good. Like it was ugly black, the bottom bar. And every customer that I've talked to, everybody complained that we cannot use survey because of this ugly bottom bar. We have to use a lot of custom CSS things. So that's why what we have done is like market standard, and we have done like multiple themes in bottom bar. And like you can do a lot of things with that. I can share you like how it looks earlier and versus how it looks now also. So yeah, it's a huge change that we have done. And
But yeah, I think we're going to save people a lot of custom CSS.
yeah, and I think that's our priority. What we wanted to do is how you can make forms, survey, funnel website beautiful and with very less effort, right? Without using any custom code. We are bringing all the elements natively. So that's our focus right now.
The next one that you released is above and beyond just looking beautiful. This thing is going to generate a ton of leads, and that is forms in video. This is so cool. So, this is basically the ability you can now take a video, host it in High Level, and say, okay, at the 30-second mark, I want a form to pop up, and they can't finish the video unless they submit the form. This is fantastic.
Yeah, yeah. I think this the purpose of us, right? Our team is the clients. They should be able to generate as much leads as possible, right? Right now, the trending thing is how you can generate leads, right? You can ask people to fill up a form. You can show them a video and fill up a form. So now that's the thing, right? If people are really interested in your video, right, you can put a lock symbol. So you cannot go above that lock symbol of that video. And if you reach that lock symbol, you can define where do you want to have that lock symbol. You can define a custom form. So you can create beautiful forms using a form builder. And you can put any of those beautiful form inside a video pop-up. So you'll be able
Yeah.
to generate a lot of leads. And I think like
That
a lot of big marketers also mentioned like this increases the conversion rate by 2 to 3x. So this is a really nice way to generate leads.
100%. And the fact that you can pick any form is awesome as well. It's not just like a standard form with standard fields. You can go create any form you want and then have that be the form that pops up when they hit that lock piece. Are you already seeing the usage metrics around this skyrocket?
Yeah. So right now, I think we're setting up the events so that we'll start tracking it. We do get like first 1,000 leads in couple of days, and yeah, but it's not like properly set up right now. We are just setting that up, and probably in a week's time, we'll see more users of it.
Got it. So next up, you guys dropped the image slider. So this has been something, that's been on the ideas board for a while. People are really excited about it. I know a lot of work went into the image slider, and there's a lot of different configurations and styles and whatnot. So talk to us about creating that.
Yeah. So I think image slider, right? When we have any kind of website in which you have to show something or you have to show some offer kind of thing, right? You have to swipe between those offers. That's where image slider comes in, and a lot of these websites requires image slider. And as you rightly mentioned, like it has been there since a while. So we thought we'll pick it up, we'll simplify it, and we'll put certain themes. And with that, we have brought all the new elements. So it's not just image slider. You'll see the new padding element, like that looks really beautiful. You can easily do that. Otherwise, you have to select like left margin, right margin, those kind of things also. Similarly, shadow elements, all the elements that has been used in the builder with this new element are also new, right? So you can have those updated setting and you can do all the things, right? You can have the buttons, the dots, the squares as like that goes on, right? Like in the image slider. So if in the bottom, the arrows can be configured, the color of those things, active and inactive, the duration at which you want to swipe it, you want to loop it infinite, or you want to disable gesture, all those things, functionalities are there. And being said that, if we get more feedback, we'll improve upon that. But I think we covered like pretty good use case for the image slider right now.
That's awesome. And you mentioned disabled gesture. Does that mean you can actually thumb swipe between the slides?
Yeah, you can do that as well.
That's awesome. That's really great for mobile. Okay, the last one on my list that I wanted to cover with you today is one that's very near and dear to my heart because I love being able to do this, video background. Video
Yeah.
background was a pain in the butt before. You had to use custom code and like it was I've set a few of them up and it hasn't been fun anytime I've done it. And now you can just do it right natively in the builder.
Yeah, so I think that's pretty awesome. And all these things we get from people only, like what they want. We prioritize this based on like how people are using it. A lot of people are using videos and use image background. They wanted to use video background. So we brought this up. And the good part is it's not just in section, right? You can do in section background, in column background, right? In row background, all these things,
Oh,
all
I
these.
was wondering. So it's not just a section. You can do it for just a row background if you want?
Yeah. Yeah. So what you're gonna see is under background, right? Now earlier you have like one option. You can just upload a media, right? Image. Now
Mhm.
you'll select either you want to upload an image or you want to upload a video, and you can upload that. And then video has also different options. Like you can cover the whole video, you can cover the whole width, you can cover the whole height. Those kind of options are also there. So yeah, you can
Super
do a lot.
cool. That's awesome. So let me ask you out of my own curiosity, out of all 4 of the things that we talked about today, which one was the hardest for the team to build?
I think the lead generation from hosted video, right? Because you have to
Yeah?
pop up a form inside a video. That was like technically very challenging for us. And I think a lot of these are like very big features. These required a lot of effort. But personally, this required like a lot of research also. We have to look into the specific things, the specific browsers. It varies, the video player varies. So we have to put a lot of effort into that.
Mm,
Yeah. But I think
got
like the team is really awesome. Devs is really awesome. Like they put a lot of hard work and we get the feature released like very quickly also now.
absolutely. And they nailed it. It looks so great, and hopefully everybody watching can give the team some accolades in the comments. Last question for you, Prakar. What are you most excited about that's coming next from your team?
Yeah. I think a funnel AI is coming, funnel and website AI. So with just click of button, you'll be able to create new funnels. Like within few seconds, you'll be able to create funnels and websites that will be as per market standard, all the new design, new look, so that you don't have to spend hours and you don't have to spend like a lot of money to give somebody, right, to build your funnels. And we use AI for that. So that is like pretty exciting thing that is coming very soon.
Interesting. Very cool. We can't wait to see it. Thanks so much for coming on with us today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.